Hello YouTube! Today we're going to fix the tiller's wheel. You saw it, maybe you saw it in another video where it broke down and just fell off. So we're gonna fetch it. It's over here. So at the same time I'm going to put some hard metal on the wheels, so that it will be a better traction for the winter time and stuff. You see, it's bent, and the spring, or the bolt actually, it's broken off. So we're gonna replace that. I'm going for 8 millimeters in size. I had 10, but I think I'm going to size down the diameter of those, so they work as safety pin also. Okay, let's begin. See how good the welds are. Not that good, I see here. But we'll do them better. Okay.